Welcome, welcome, welcome. I know. No, I agree. Yes, I agree. It's been forever. I take full responsibility. Please forgive me. Why have I not reviewed my subreddit in 11,000 years? And the answer is I don't know the answer. Maybe Shankar knows the answer. Shag, 6 seconds यहाँ आना. Shankar, मैंने subreddit review क्यों नहीं किया है? जनता को बता दो.
Because you are piece of shit.
Alright, तो let's just start and see what you guys have made. पहला मीम देखते हैं. तन्मय भट्ट चैनल के साथ खेलते हुए ऑनेस्टली डूब रहा है. AIB डूब चुका है और सबरेडिट कंप्लीटली मर चुका है. No, that's fair. Come here to be loved and this is what you get. It's honest criticism, that's what it is. And that's fine, that's allowed. This sub is dying before it even started because he doesn't even review it. Tanmay has failed to understand the potential of Reddit. No, it's fair. Come on, one day Tanmay will have to review this subreddit and then him reading all the has failed to recognize the incompetence shown by Tanmay by not providing us with intellectual content that we not only demand but also deserve will be so funny. Yeah, this is hilarious. All of you stabbing me in my heart slowly via all your comments is hilarious. At age 16, then, I have a job, wife and children. Now, Kerry bhai mera naam le lo please. Guys, this is not just at age 16. This even I do. Kerry, touch me! Self-deprecating humor. Hey, look at that happy face bot RBOP. How sweet. This is a nice picture. I should make this like the channel banner, no? Let's look at the comments. जब लड़की वाले आपकी बहन के रिश्ते के लिए आते हैं, boys be like, Shankar is the dad. Revant is the brother. Revant looks so sincere in this. Raghav का थोड़ा पेट दिख रहा है. This is the gunda in the family. Nobody cares about this guy. Honestly, in this whole photo, I am the odd one out. Fan art writer and provider. You know, I realized that I look way better in fan art than I do in real life. I think लोग मुझे draw करना शुरू करते हैं, then they realize ये भयंकर बदसूरत इंसान है. इसको तो फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. And then they make me better looking in the fan art. I like it though. It's good for my self-esteem. Comments, Tanmay is looking thin. Why have I come back? Tanmay, right now. I think I forgot something. If you forgot, then it wasn't important. Yeah, you're right. This subreddit. Tanmay forgot the subreddit. Okay, this joke is not going to end, I see. You will make me hear about it till I die. When I visit AIB's YouTube channel nowadays, 50,000 people used to live here. Now it's a ghost town. Who told me to review Reddit? Naveed, it's just a bunch of memes that makes me feel horrible.
That's what your chat also does.
That's true. It's just why is everyone in bot army just roasts me? बस खिल्ली उड़ाते तुम लोग. I was like कि कुछ ऐसा cool funny memes होगा. कुछ jokes नवीद पे भी होंगे. I like how AIB's YouTube channel is now just a joke. It was 1 year of extreme trauma for me that took me like months and months of therapy. But I'm glad I can laugh about it today. It's all, I'm kidding. It's all good. Everything is funny. I make these jokes myself. Tanmay's channel gets hacked. Tanmay, oh my god, what am I going to do now? Fuck me, I'm losing shit. Oh my god, Tanmay, control yourself. Everything will be fine. Shankar, nobody cares. Actually, I'm really happy that this nobody cares thing has become like a joke and a meme. You know, as the architect of the vlogs, you know, I take great pride in, you know, directing all the participants in what I like to call a real life sitcom. You know, the thought process behind what I'm actually trying to do with the vlogs. You must
Nobody
understand.
cares.
Tanmay in his first podcast with Yuzi. This is the first time I've been so close to a cricketer, Sachin Tendulkar. Yeah, definitely. I think that Sachin must have felt very bad when Tanmay was hanging out with Yuzi. Definitely, I think Sachin has all the time in the world to watch Tanmay's second channel. Honestly, त्याचे पॉडकास्ट आहे ना ते स्पॉटिफायवर पण आहे. त्याला प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा आणि त्याला इंडियाचा ट्रेंडिंग पॉडकास्ट असं तुम्ही करा ना. मला खूपच आवड. This next one is a video meme. Holy shit! Is that Shankar as Vin Diesel? This is actually what Shankar looks like while driving. Shankar likes to yell at other people. Have you ever seen Shankar yell at other people while driving? तेरी माँ की. Then I'll be like, Shankar. नहीं sir, वो छोड़ो अभी. It's always a little scary. This is a great meme. Gilly puppy to this meme. जैसे PewDiePie big PP करता है, मैं Gilly puppy करूँगा. Gilly puppy. Logan Paul, a random stranger minding his own business. I've been seeing Logan's new vlogs and I quite enjoy them actually. I might be a minority when I say this, but I think Logan has drastically changed not only his content, I think he's actually grown. And I find it really fascinating that people are like, oh, I never saw I'd see a day where I would actually like Logan Paul. Why? Did we assume he was always going to be a terrible person? It says so much about how we are as people that we like to bracket one person as bad and we expect them to always be bad. They have always been bad, they are currently bad, and they will always be bad. Why do we assume that? I have been guilty of doing the very same for years. Anyway, just a random observation, nothing to pay attention here. Another deepfake meme is here.
I understand everything.
Whoa. Fuck, Naveed. You actually look so good as Jack Sparrow. This doesn't even look like a deepfake. This looks like it's you.
Yeah, I've actually.
Shut your mouth. This looks so real, no?
Yeah.
It was
This
a
app is-
grow
this app
little
is-
thing. Make it long, nice.
Like a goatee.
Yeah, this is not even a goatee, Bancho. This is a gota. Me after commenting Binod to any irrelevant post. Welcome to my comedy island. I agree. I think 3 दिन में हमने उस मीम को इतना रगड़ के पिस दिया ना कि वो डेड हो चुका है. Also मेरे पास एक थियरी है कि क्यों that meme was this massive. By saying one word, everybody on the internet got to feel like they were in on a joke, and that made them feel like they belonged, and that made them feel like they were cooler than everybody else. And let me guess, the comments of this post is all Binod. Okay?
And more on the next vlog with other friends. For more content, don't forget to subscribe to Carrie Minati, the guy who's responsible for Dhanna's new channel. Thank you, Carrie. See you later.
He said it. Yeah, I totally didn't ask him to say that. He said it on his own. Yeah, guys. I totally didn't ask him to say it. More deep fake. This is me as Tom Cruise. Fuck yeah, I look handsome as fuck. God damn. Wow, fuck, I will actually look like this when I get older. I look way worse. Sorry. I look like fucking Himesh Reshamya here. No? Yeah, look at this. I look like Himesh Reshamya right now. Oh my god, me plus Tom Cruise equals to Himesh Reshamya. आपका mission impossible है. What the fuck are you eating?
Shezwan sauce immediately.
तू भी आजा, कूद आजा. For this crime, you deserve death.
You will eat fucking anything, no?
Meanwhile,
So we have some masala peanuts here. Which we will put in the noodles.
Fair point. I give you that one. I have to make an apology to Raghav. Rags.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Peanut butter and ketchup sandwich.
Yeah, I'm not apologizing. Fuck that. Is it me or they just look so similar? No, they are not similar in any way. First of all, Revant makes way more music.
Fuck you,
Tanmay, Naveed just returned from dentist. Yeah, I love torturing Naveed, but only on the vlog and in real life. I've now started to see some comments on these vlogs which says, Tanmay is such a bully, he's actually bullying his flatmates, he's torturing them, I feel bad for them. You guys know that it's like exaggerated for camera, right? Rex, come here now 1 second. They think that I'm actually torturing you guys. Can you just confirm that I'm not torturing you guys?
No, you're not.
What do you say?
What?
सबसे पहले हमारे कपल के बोरिंग लव स्टोरी को डांस के थ्रू इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए स्टेज पे आएंगे इनके कॉलेज फ्रेंड।
मेरे दिल है
3 हफ्ते रिहर्सल के बाद भी इतना टट्टी परफॉर्म।
That's funny. That's funny. Gilly puppy, this is a great meme. Hurtful but funny. वैसे कैरी कैन आई टेल यू कल मिथिलेश ने सबसे ओरिजिनल आइडिया पे एक वीडियो बना के अपलोड किया है. ही रिएक्टेड टू टिकटॉक्स बाय द वे. डू यू नो
My first video to hit 1 million in 1 day.
क्या 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 तूने
ये
कभी सोचा
आतिक यार तुम
I
लोग
can
यार
see
तुम
what's
नए
coming.
जनरेशन वाले ना यार तुम नेक्स्ट
वेल प्लेड गाइस, वेल प्लेड. कमेंट्स क्या, हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है. Views whore. Feeling personally attacked by this one. It is original as he's reacting when it's banned, not when it was popular. That's right, Rosen Ronnie. You're damn right. It is 100% original. I did TikTok Shraddhanjali, even though the videos are called TikTok review. Please subscribe करा. मुझे PewDiePie बनना है इंडिया के इस.
Fuck you.
अबे साले.
I knew one day someone will make this meme. Important announcement. क्या देख रहा है बे लौड़े? क्या देख रहा है लौड़े? क्या दिख रहा है तेरे को यहाँ पे? ए गांडू. I don't know why. It's just funny to swear in as Donald Trump. निकल लौड़े. Alright friends, thank you very much for watching. I know me saying that I will do a lot more of these more often is of no use because none of you ever trust me ever again. But if this video does well, I promise you I will do more. And I'm very sorry I took so long to do this. But I want to do a lot more videos, you know, which is a little more relaxed, which is just me talking to you guys. Do check out my second channel. I do my podcast there. The last one I think was with Bhuvan, so you can check that out. Link is in the description. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. The videos will just show up on your timeline. You don't have to watch if you don't want to watch. And if you have subscribed, please hit the bell icon. You'll get a notification whenever I go live or there's a new video. You don't have to always click on it. Click on the ones that interest you. On that note, thank you very much friends. See you next time. Please subscribe करा.